about taking a walk in the rain. Sing a song about bedtime. Or why not sing about taking a ride on a train? We can't go wrong. We can sing a song. Yeah, sing it loud, sing it strong. It feels good when you sing a song.
Watching them play, hearing things that they say, it fills this bird with a glow. Cause there's one thing that I know. It takes a street, it takes a street, it takes everyone you meet. The tall of us, the small of us, hey, it takes all of us. What I'm saying is, it takes a street. And our street leads to a street, which leads to a street, which leads to a street. And each of those streets is chock full of folks that we might love to meet. And put all those streets together, it makes up the world complete. The tall of us, the small of us, yeah, I'm talking about all of us. You hear what I'm saying? We'll get out there and start. It takes a The sun's gone down in the west. This time for people to rest. Gals and guys are closing their eyes, 'cause it's sleepy time on Sesame Street. Big Bird is making some Z's. Barkley is dreaming of fleas. Oscar the Grouch is out on the couch, 'cause it's sleepy time on Sesame Street. Boyd and Susan, the car is snoozing, Telly is counting sheep. Now it's my time, lullaby time, when all the world's asleep. Snuffy is having a nose. No hunger's honking his nose. Can't hear a sound, no one's around, 'cause it's sleeping time on Sesame Street. But I'm singing and swinging under those bright beams. The world is taking a break, but I got music to make. I'm happy staying awake, 'cause it's sleepy time. I said sleepy time. Whoa, sleepy time on Sesame Street. Yeah.
How to blow the sax. I think your problem is rubber in the cracks. You never find this king you see till you pay. You gotta put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. You gotta leave the duck alone. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. You wanna play the saxophone. Go. I've learned a thing or two from years of playing in the band. It's hard to play the saxophone with something in your hand. To be a fine musician, you're gonna have to face the facts. Know your butterfly your fingers when you wanna wear your stuff. The little flying fingers if they're wrapped around the duck. Change the choice position if you wanna ace the sax. Yeah, put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. You gotta leave the duck alone. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. You gotta leave the duck alone. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky. Put down the ducky if you wanna play the saxophone. That's it, yeah.
What adventures out there will